Alright. I guess we're fucking doing this. Um, so yeah. You guys wanted it. I'm doing it. You know, we got the salsa, we got spoon. Let's fucking suffer. It do be the day. Alright. I'm gonna try and go for this as fast as I can. If I can get the fucker open. Bash it with the spoon. See if that helps. Oh, there we go. Oh, man. You hear that pop? Oh, there it be. Let's see how fast this do. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Oh, yeah. Nice. Nice big scoop. Oh. You have to chew it. You can't not. It's like liquidy enough to be awful, right? Like liquidy enough to be just god fucking awful, but it's still got too much solid substance to it. You can't like oh fuck. Yeah, chunky. Ah, shit. God fucking why? Okay, second bite's a lot easier, holy shit, but you can feel the spice in your stomach just taking I'm starting to sweat. This is fuck. Percy, there's nothing weird about this. Nothing weird at all. You're watching normal human things. This is what normal humans do, right? Hold the fuck on. We're gonna pause this. I got a better song in mind. Oh, Jesus Christ. Here we go. Oh, good. They have a 10-hour version of it. Oh, fuck. Hey, I see we got new viewers. Welcome to the stream. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Human music. I like it.
Oh, fucking hell. Do not swallow it wrong. But yeah, so some context on this for anyone new to the channel. We set out with a goal, and we wanted to hit affiliate, right? And me being the cynic I am, didn't think we could actually do it. Me and my buddies sat down, started this channel to just play video games and reconnect, you know, since we had to split up from college due to COVID. So I was like, fuck it, you know, if we hit affiliate, I'll eat a whole jar of hot salsa with a spoon like applesauce. And here we are. This is my reward for all the hard work we put in as a group. Couldn't have gotten here without you guys. We're almost there. We're like halfway through. This pain. Think I finally figured out how it feels to chew 5 gum. You know, this is odd, right? Because yes, it does feel rewarding. I feel really happy right now, but my tongue is also just on fire. Yeah, stimulate your senses, Jesus. There we go, guys. We're almost halfway there. If I can't do this...
Gotta relax.
It's a good point. Gotta relax. But if I can't do this, I'm gifting 4 subs to my community. Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, I know for a fact. I've done hot food before.
Human music. I like it.
You don't do it fast, Cavalian. If you don't do this fast, you're never going to get through it. It's just the way it is. You deal with that sweat. Oh, and you just pain through it. Challenge eating was a mistake. Holy fuck. Chug, chug, chug.
I like it.
This music's oddly fitting. Oh, don't you worry, I got a plan for the salsa water. I got a fucking plan. Ah, shit. It's pain. It's nothing but pain. I feel like I need to turn up the saturation so you can really see the red on my face. Thank you, Wrecker. Thank you. Fuck, it hurts. What if I could, Girox? I never bought a beer funnel in college. This is my dinner. Oh, fuck yeah.
Gotta relax.
God, I can't wait till this is over.
Human music. I like it.
Welcome to the stream. Yeah, almost there, almost. Ah, fuck. I gotta eat the whole jar. Gotta eat the whole jar for my people. Hee-ho, hee-ho. Hey, Kobe, how's it going?
I like it.
Wow, the fuck's a one-chip challenge? The salsa is good. The heat is bad. The heat is really bad. It burns my gums. Yeah, for those of you who are new, here we are. This is where we're at. Told my people at 50 follows, we do salsa. We'd eat hot salsa. Nice hot on the border salsa. Oh, I've done similar. I've done similar with Carolina Reaper. I just put Carolina Reaper puree in my ramen when I was in college. I'm no foreigner to heat. It's just this much of it. Yeah, it was a really, really good sauce. Super expensive, too. Fuck. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I do. I got water.
Gotta relax.
Oh, fuck. Okay, we're not done, though. We're not done.
I like it.
I gotta get this on fucking camera. Just gonna do that.
I like it.
Ah, fuck. Oh, clean jar, guys. Clean jar. Oh. Ah, fucking hell. Can't say I'm not a man of my word. Holy shit. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Hold on, I gotta back out of mod view for a second. Alright, I said I'd gift 4 subs if I lost, but since we're all winners here. Since we're all fucking winners. Come on, PayPal. There we go. Welcome to the crew. Holy fuck. We take care of our people here. Oh, fuck. A lot of you guys have been here from the beginning. A lot of you are new friends. And I'm going to say this through the dripping face drippings. Fucking love you guys. You made this what it is, and you fucking hoe. You fucking hoe, guys. I'm gonna take a second. I'm gonna turn off this shit people music. I'm gonna put on some SMT stuff, and I'm gonna step back for a second. I'm gonna grab a something sweet to drink. Nice little treat. So hang tight, and then we're gonna get into some actual video games. Jesus Christ.